So there's this Ford Figo. The windshield was broken. We took it to the mechanic. They started by taking dimensions. I didn't know you have to take a dimension for a windshield, just like a house. You take the diagonal, width, length, and then later, once they had all the sizes and they confirmed they had the windshield, so they started removing the old one, the broken one. Okay, so it was my first time. I've never seen a replacement of a glass before. So what they are doing basically, that thing have it's like a, I don't know what I can call it, but it's like a braid. Okay, and there's that silicone that was there before that windshield when it was fixed, like that's from the showroom or from the manufacturer. So what they are doing right now, they are cutting off the silicone or the glue or whatever that had fixed the windshield. First they started from up, and now the remaining part is from the inside. They cut it from the inside. As you can see, this guy with the braid. There were two very nice guys. One was Pakistani, Zindabad, and the other one was Egyptian. So yeah, as you can see now, the glass is almost out. I thought it's a lot of work. I came to realize it's something also I think I can do. It's only that you don't want to dare. Okay, now it was something very quick and very easy. So once they removed, they had to clean the old silicone and some small glass particles that had, like you can see, there are some small glass particles. So they had to clean all this before they go to the next task, which is replacing with a new glass. So okay, now our car is like that. So the guy is removing the old silicone. It's just scraping it off with another braid to make sure like there's zero whatever. Then they put a new, or they started to put silicone. That's a fresh silicone to fix the new glass. And before that, I think they did put some tapes to prevent that cell tape, or masking tape, to prevent the silicone from spilling over. It was very professional. I had to take the silicone can just in case I need to fix a glass. I know which type they are using or which brand they are using, because I can tell you the car is very okay right now. The car is very, 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 very smooth, silent, like you cannot even hear the sound when you're driving. So that's the shop, Al Arab. It's in Oman. It's in Oman, in a place called Mabera. So finally, the new glass. I have to heat it a little bit. I was a bit scared when they were heating it. I felt like they would break it, but anyway, they are doing that on daily basis, so that's something they are used to. So it was time to remove the masking tape. Yes, and my guy over there was confirming that the glass is well fixed.